guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2.
Hey guys, I have to pee, so let's go.
So do I. I'm just getting gum because you know me and my spitting issues.
So let me just tell everybody from now, okay? I had a baby and I went through the struggle and I have a little belly, okay? So I dare anyone to comment about it.
No one even said anything.
They're going to. I know they're gonna be like, what's Shana belly tree?
Do you want the baby's bottle?
May I eat?
You want the bottle?
Huh?
You want the bottle?
No, no.
Yeah, so we just got here. It's been a little hectic because we were doing 101 things before we came here. So we just about to go inside. Did they? You have the card?
Yeah, I dropped the baby.
Yeah, so we just about to get the gift out. It was so big so we couldn't even find a gift bag for it. Lyra! 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 But yeah, I feel like we were like low-key rushing. It was just a little too much excitement. No girl. But I'll tune back in when we inside because right now I have to pee really bad. Me too. Yeah, so I'll tune back when I go back inside. On the inside, this is my beautiful cousin, Monique! She's also pregnant. We didn't plan it. It wasn't planned. You look so pretty. And Nika. Nika looks like a nerd. But yeah, this is the baby shower. You got a little cut. Monique, do you have I gave you one. This is my grandma. Oh gosh. Grandma, how much great grandkids do you have? What? Yeah. Well, mine and Nika's will be 3. Where's Leah? You're so pretty. This one, Miss Never on Time. Miss Never on Time. So wait, guys, you guys see she does look pretty. She can look pretty. She can look.
Yeah. I got done up.
The last time they seen you, you were looking raggedy, but you know they still said you were pretty.
I hate her.
We got some roti. We just had our cake. Shauna stressed out. I'm joking. You like your cake was so good.
She likes her susu?
This sweater won't let me live, but we just left the baby shower.
Your face.
The amount of sweets that I ate didn't really get to vlog because there was just too much going on. You're so annoying. There was just too much going on.
Too much excitement. Oh no.
You're so annoying. So yeah, we about to, you know, head home. Didn't do nothing today, so that is why this Vlogmas is gonna be obviously a day late. But you know, it's life. Shauna and her backpack. Knapsack. Can you don't be slaps?
What? You better sit over there about
Mago pandem 1 time. Mago pandem 2 time. I wish I walking trophy.
Monique, hurry up. I'm gonna bring back your mama shoes. Church, she want evening service. Give them to her.
Later. Y'all know how it's Christmas time, right? This is how we do it out here. I'm joking. No, this house literally snapped. If you follow me on Snapchat, I posted one when it was winter time. Look at this. When it was I posted on my Snapchat when it was Halloween, and this is Christmas time, and I actually found a house that went off. Like they literally went off. It's so pretty. I mean, I don't want to know how much their bill is, but damn, son. Cray. Okay, so the lights look kind of weird on the camera, but we have our Christmas tree up already. We went a little bigger this year, and I actually have to. We're not done. We started, but we're not finished. There's only gold. Is it gold and silver? I think there's only gold balls on it right now. We have to get the red ones, but I have to get the pins. for it. But yeah, this is our tree so far. So yeah, we just got home and I'm so tired. Keisha's about to eat her food. It was a good evening. We saw family. Oh, Keisha, that little candle's so cute. Can I have it?
No. Like, win the game next time.
Anyways, yeah, so I didn't really vlog as I was saying before because it was just so hectic, and then we're helping Shauna with the baby.
Sis!
And then what?
You glowing! I'm kidding, you're ugly.
Keisha won these because she guessed the size of the belly right. I don't know where she's going with this, but but look at this, is so cute. Yes, Keish. I have a paper that I need to, evaluation I have to go hand in because I think it's due tomorrow at 9. And then this is technically my last week of school because I'll actually hear. You hear me just sling myself? This is the last week of school, and then the week after that is just final tests, and that's it. I can't wait for the break to just kind of just chill and relax. But yeah. Let me tell y'all, I was in the car just now and this message popped up on my phone, right? And mostly when I see negative comments, I either delete them or I just ignore them or I block them. Like, you'll just get blocked. But I get so annoyed. And Ziggy would always tell me, like, don't say nothing, just ignore them. But it's so hard to sit here sometimes and see the stuff that people say because literally people be sitting there. Oh my god, something smells so nice right here.
Them takes it and go walk on and
so I'm saying, like, they literally will see you post post 1-2 videos and feel like they know your whole life story. Like, first off, let me just make myself clear. I put what I want you guys to see. I don't put my whole life on the internet. And Ziggy is very private, so if he says he doesn't want me to put something on it in regards to him, I'm not gonna put that. I'm not gonna put it up. I'm gonna respect what he wants. But yeah, people are just so annoyed with their comments. They feel like they know everything about you. Like, some of you guys need to stop it. Stop it. Okay.
Okay.
But yeah, it's just really annoying, and sometimes it's really hard for me to sit here and see people say certain stuff about Ziggy because y'all don't know him. Y'all really don't.
Like, that's her Ziggy Bear, not your Ziggy Bear. He's not a community man. Like, what's wrong with you guys?
Stuff like this is what makes me don't want to vlog because this is certain stuff I just don't want to have to deal with. But for those of you who always asking me for tips about vlogging and all that stuff, just be prepared because you have some people on the internet that are just very negative and they're just bored with their life and feel like they need, like, if they see stuff going good for you, they feel like they have to bring some kind of negativity to your life. And I just want to let you guys know that you guys cannot draw me out. Okay, I'm not gonna go sit and cry. You guys can't draw me out. But yeah. So quick baby update, or I guess I should call it pregnancy update.
Wait, I have something to say. This is how your subscribers are begging. See how my toes begging through the socks? That's how you guys are begging.
Some of them. So anyways, oh, isn't this the remote for the Android box? No. Okay. Fix up. Okay, I'm lean right now, but quick baby update. I know I'm really late on my second trimester video, but I promise once I'm on my break, I'll get everything done. Baby is fine because I know all you guys are like asking how she is. She's actually doing really good. She is super duper active. Definitely a dancer like her dad or a soccer player or something because she be moving. Ah, my belly! Did you forget?
I just saw your lap.
Oh my god.
I didn't put my weight on it.
Holy crap.
I didn't put my weight on it.
But anyways, yeah, she's doing good.
Wait, could you redo that? I think I'm trying to kill my niece.
No, I'm leaving it.
No!
I'm gonna name it She Sat on My Belly. You know what's funny? I did that to Shauna. One time, I don't remember what I did, and I think I accidentally needled in her belly. Like, I wasn't used to and I forgot. Look, she's moving right now. But yeah,
I'm sorry, hold on.
This is what Keisha always does. Don't say the name. We don't say the name yet.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'll buy you some Nike tracksuits when you come out.
But anyways, yeah, she's doing good. She's just really, really active, and it starting to hurt. I'm so tiny, so like, you know. No, I'm not hungry. Oh yeah. Can you imagine you could feed them to the belly button like that?
That would be disgusting.
That would be weird.
Oh gosh. My future husband to be watching this. I can't be doing all that.
Oh my god.
By the way, guys, 18, single.
You're not even 18 yet.
Wow, what are you doing? Let me live.
Are you 18?
No.
Don't boost your age, because trust me, you're gonna wish you were young.
I'm kidding. I'm 17, 18 next year. Yeah.
Isn't she so pretty, guys? She's so pretty. She's actually so gorgeous. But oh yeah, someone was asking me if I'm in the RN or LPN. I live in Canada, so we don't call it LPN over here. We call it RPN. But I'm assuming it would be the same thing as LPN in the States. So I'm studying for my RPN right now, which is Registered Practical Nurse, and eventually I'm gonna go for my RN. I think. Depends how I feel. Shauna told me don't stop, but like, I'm already sitting on a degree, and it's like, I'm so over school. My dad literally calls me a professional student, like, but we'll see what happens if I'm gonna go for that. But yeah, it's RPN is what I'm going for right now. And I want to say thank you guys for your continuous support and love. I really appreciate it. I love the positivity. I love the positive vibe. I'm really trying. Actually, I'm not really trying. I've been on this positive journey. I'm all about positivity, no negative vibes. That's what I've been on. And I feel like because I've been that way and I've been praying so much, like a lot have been happening for me. And I feel like in life you need to be positive. Like, see, sometimes you just gotta ignore the negative vibes and let in the positive vibes. And always pray, guys. Always pray. No matter if you're having a good or bad day, pray through it all. Because sometimes in life you gotta have a little bit of bad day. You can't always have good days, okay? Advice from Nisha. Da, 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 da. I'm joking. I really want to apologize for the late upload. I said I wanted to upload at least by 7:30. But I feel like because how I started my vlogs, like how I started vlog 1 in the mid of the day, it just like it's not gonna happen that way.
You get them when you get them, okay, honey?
Yeah, you guys get them when you get them. And I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. I never expected people would enjoy the first vlog. Because literally when I'm editing it, I'm just like, oh my god, this is so boring. I didn't do nothing. But I like to show you guys that the real me, like you're not always. I'm not always
do something every day.
Yeah, I don't do stuff every day.
Come up like that.
You got my phone. See, Ziggy's like, don't even let that get. He's like, really, don't even let that get to you.
Tell him again, Ziggy.
Let me call my Ziggy bear.
Why they walking like elephants, bro?
Wait, let me tell Shauna we have her cupcake. Yo.
What's wrong with you, yo?
I'm not, no, because I don't like when people say stuff. I hate the lightning. I hate when people say negative stuff about you. Even Keisha's like, don't comment.
Yeah, but like, why?
You don't need to explain everything. You don't need to justify
know what
everything.
is what already, so why you come make them get on their skin and everything. Bro, just be like, thanks for the update. Or, you know?
Yeah.
We're good, love. Enjoy.
Brush them off your shoulder and know who I am.
Say hi, Ziggy.
The hell? Good one.
I told you guys, he's always like, Mick, you don't need to say nothing to them. Even some girl, remember the girl that commented on your picture? Well, secret. And I go comment on it, and I'm like, don't even tell me nothing.
So Keisha, why you shall long run so you do. You see Keisha when I going down in a plate.
I'm trying to be like you.
So they're trying to be like you. Oh yeah, Ziggy, everyone was wishing you well. Like they hope that you get well because your hand. So you can tell them thanks.
Yeah, man, enough respect, man.
Let's show them your hand. Where's your hand? Where's his hand?
Wait. Yeah?
It's just those two fingers though, right?
Huh?
It's just the 2 fingers. So guys, it's actually was it this 2 fingers? He messed up his 2 fingers, but they wrapped it up to his I guess mid part of his hand.
Nah, man, because
okay, go on, explain it.
The middle one, yes, the middle finger, the dirty finger. I down in the wrist part, yes, I broke one. You see me?
But did you break the finger too?
Huh?
Is the finger broken too?
Nothing.
No. Over that part and I broken, I just down inside.
The man don't know if you speak English yet.
Keep the thing just, sir.
It's gonna sound fun. Ziggy, tongue one time.
Can't twang more. Can't twang.
Say hi, Lily.
Can you suck in your belly first? I'm joking.
Can you say hi?
Me can't talk it, I'm here sucking me belly.
Let it out.
Yo.
Daddy's trying to run competition with Nisha.
Oh, go on to someone.
You don't worry, that's about to be you soon. Yo, remember when I first met Ziggy? Ziggy used to always drink. Remember, you used to always drink beer, and I used to always tell you that you're gonna have a big beer belly.
You think a beer belly this?
What is that?
You think a beer belly this?
What is that?
Bring the phone over here so me show you what this for.
It's on you.
This a food belly cause me eat good. But look into this now. Me a dumpling banana and yam in here, so. Me have pizza, me have roast beef, me have chicken soup.
Wait, what's that for
That-
Because you guys don't want to eat it, me eat it then. Eh?
Anisha say a beer belly, you know.
Well, that's how it go. All that food in the fridge and I mean one of you eat it off.
No, I eat. Trust me. Ziggy, trust me, I eat, but my dad doesn't understand. Like,
Look, me cook and then buy food.
no, that's for the baby shower. That's a container.
Yo.
I like them I tell them buy food, see container here so yeah. Them not so kind figure you nice container like this. I'm gonna get saran wrap and file paper thing.
I had doubles today.
So put it on back then, no? Put it back if you try. Put it on the picture.
Ziggy,
Go on.
can you hear the crickets?
Which cookie?
That's funny.
You can't hear the crickets?
That's funny. Come on.
Which?
Block that.
Okay, wait, hold on. Let me see if they can hear it. Tell me if you guys can hear the crickets in the comments down below, because I know I hear crickets. Hold on.
Block that.
Hold on. You don't hear that?
Sasha, you hear cookie?
I like. Seriously? No, sir.
Stop, yeah.
No, sir. That's wrong, man.
Ali,
You don't hear the cricket them?
you hear cookie?
Me hurting.
Probably said no.
Oh,
No.
God.
It's probably because they're just so numb to it.
Them ears blind, them cricket blind, them, you know you get nose blind, you just fart and you can't smell it because you're a fart, but somebody else smell it. Come on.
No.
For
Did
true?
that happen to you?
Yes.
I definitely smell my post.
I was about to say.
What?
I definitely smell mine when I need to.
But sometimes you have more corny one them man. You know, sir, that specific conversation is when you know, so you're comfortable around somebody, because you don't really talk about the farting around person, this family.
Yeah.
Or, you know?
You can tell people when people get uncomfortable.
That's
What?
a lie.
And everybody farts, not you?
Yeah.
I don't care.
I don't care either.
But out of respect,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have to put the fart in the right place.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like if I'm at work, I only
So-
go because like
Hold on, guys.
Somebody ever piss you off and you just poop beside them.
No.
You try to run them.
No.
Seriously? Yeah, man, I've done it. I'm not lie. You can't ask your mother, but I joke, man.
Listen.
Under a sheet.
Oh, I've done that to Ziggy before. From when I met Ziggy, I was never scared to fart around him. And Ziggy definitely wasn't scared to poop around me. Wow, my memory card's actually full, guys. So I'm gonna go finish talk to Ziggy and my dad as long as you guys later, okay? So guys, this is where I'm ending my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. A little bit all over the place, but welcome to my life. Here doing a facial. Gotta be consistent. Consistency is key. And my face is breaking out because I wasn't being consistent last week. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 3. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys.